Creating a privacy fence not only provides security but also adds ethics value to your property. Here are some creative privacy fence ideas to inspire you to next project. Welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. If you are new here or if you like these ideas, first of all like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. A classical choice, wooden fence offer privacy while blending seamlessly with our natural surrounding. Opt for a kiddo or reward for our durability and beautiful finish. Turn your fence into a living wall by no crafting vertical corners. Install planters or trellises along the fence and grow climbing plants like ivy, jasmine or roses for added privacy and green. Bamboo fencing offer tropical aesthetics and provide excellent privacy. Choose from rolled bamboo fencing and bamboo fan panels for a stylish and eco-friendly option. Construct a Gabon wall choosing wire cages filled with stones or gravel. This modern and industrial style fence provide privacy while allowing airflow and natural lights to pass through. For a contemporary look, consider metal panels for privacy fence. Pair them with a wooden post for a rustic touch, or opt for sleek seamless design with a metal post. Remember to check local regulation and obtain any necessary performance with restoring fence project. With these creative ideas, you can transform your outdoor space into a private showcase that reflects your style and personality. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more garden ideas, home decoration and for design ideas. If you like these ideas, thanks for watching.